தொழிலாளர் ஒற்றுமை, சிறுகடை வியாபாரிகள் ஒற்றுமை, கல்குவாரி தொழிலாளர் ஒற்றுமை, ஒன்றுபடுவோம். The demands of the unorganized workers are very basic to human life and dignity, and basically what we want is that the welfare boards which were created after long struggles by the working class have gone to sleep, and we want the welfare boards to function and the functioning to be streamlined. We also want ESI benefits through the welfare boards, ESI medical benefits, and also at least 3,000 rupees pension. And the other thing is that there should be kind of protection of the housing rights of the unorganized workers, that the evictions must be stopped, and even the pavement dwellers should be provided with shelters. So right to housing is another very basic thing. And in the functioning of the welfare boards, the rights of the trade union is a very basic thing. So trade union rights are being trampled upon. So we want the trade unions to be recognized and strengthened, and their rights to be strengthened. So that is the second thing. And the third thing is there are many sectoral issues. The domestic workers want the minimum wages to be fixed. The same way different groups, the potters want clay, that is not available. So like that, different groups are fighting for sectoral demands in the construction industry, no proper safety, there is enormous number of accidents, and compensation is not being paid as per the law. So all these things are part of the demands. And finally, our demand for total prohibition. Total prohibition is a very important need, because today the meager income of the poor workers are going away in...
Ma'am, your good name?
I am Geeta.
Ma'am, organization name?
Unorganized Workers Federation.
Can you...
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். நான் அமைப்புசார தொழிலாளர் அமைப்புடைய மாநில செயலாளர் லீலாவதி. இன்று அமைப்புசார தொழிலாளர்களுடைய நல வாரியங்களை சீர்படுத்த கோரியும், பணப்பயன்கள் உடனடியாக கிடைக்க கோரியும், பென்ஷன் 3000 கொடுக்கப்பட வேண்டும் என்றும் அவருடைய கோரிக்கைகளை வலியுறுத்தி அரசாங்கத்துடைய கவனத்திற்கு கொண்டு வருவதற்காக தான் இந்த ஆர்ப்பாட்டத்தை நாம் நடத்திக்கொண்டிருக்கிறோம், தர்ணாவை நடத்திக்கொண்டிருக்கின்றோம். இங்கு நல வாரியங்கள் என்பது 2008 கொண்டு வரப்பட்ட அரசாணை எண் 122, 123, 124 இதுவரை கடந்த அரசாங்கமும் மாற்றப்படவில்லை. இந்த அரசாங்கமும் கிட்டத்தட்ட 5 ஆண்டுகள் ஆக போகிறது. இந்த அரசாங்கம் ரத்து செய்யாமல் மீண்டும் மீண்டும் ஆதார் அட்டை என்று
இழுத்து மூடு.
That the unorganized sector is trying to bring it out. So the first one is the pension which is due for the unorganized sector should be raised to rupees 3,000, which is not a very big money, because the amount spent for pension for organized sector is not in any means and direct proportionate, not even, it won't even match. No, such large is the discrepancy. When Article 21 of this country, including Article 14 of the Indian Constitution, mandates equality, it doesn't means the equality only in terms of giving any position or reservations. It also lies in the financial distribution and financial quantification of labor. It's very important. So this is actually getting violated in many terms. And again, the national issues, not only something which is pertaining to Tamil Nadu, wherein what we see in Mumbai, what we see in Kolkata and in Chennai are very similar as far as eviction is concerned. Slum clearance boards are just naam ke vaste, but the real eviction with kind of a community integration, all those are there in the project papers. Real comfortability or affordability of the slum dwellers is not at all taken into consideration. So my name is TMN Deepak. I am the president of December. We have come in solidarity for this.
வீட்டு வேலை தொழிலாளர் ஒற்றுமை, சிறுகடை வியாபாரிகள் ஒற்றுமை, கல்குவாரி தொழிலாளர் ஒற்றுமை, ஒன்று